I ain't a killer, but don't push me. Revenge is like the sweetest joy next to getting pussy. Picture paragraphs unloaded, wise words being quoted. Beat the weakness in the rap game and sold it. Bow down, pray to God, hoping that he's listening. Seeing niggas coming for me, my diamonds when they glistening. Now pay attention, best man, please, father, I'm a ghost. These killing fields, Hail Mary, catch me if I go. Let's go deep inside the solitary mind of a madman. Screams in the dark, evil lurks, enemies see me flee. Activate my hate, let it break till I'm flaming. Set trip, empty out my clip, never stop to aim. Some say the game is all corrupted, fuck this shit. Stuck, niggas is lucky if we bust out this shit. And plus, mama told me never stop until I bust a nut. Fuck the world and they can't adjust. It's just this real Hail Mary with me. Hail Mary, nigga, run quick, see what you be having now. Do you wanna ride or die? La da 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 da. Come with me.
Come get me.
Hail Mary, nigga, run quick, see.
One shady. The Papa still here now. He could never ride with ya. Nah, 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 nah. You ain't no killer, you a pussy. That ecstasy done got you all emotional and mushy. Bitches wearing rags and photos. Jai's words being quoted in the source, stealing pop shit like he just wrote it. You loud mouths, pray to God, hoping no one's listening. See 50 coming for me. Oh my God, my position, no one will pay attention to me. Please, got it. Here I go. Give me this pill. Ecstasy done got me feeling so invincible. Now all of a sudden I'm a fucking madman who screams like I'm Pac, but I'm not. Enemies, Hennessy, acting like I'm great, but I'm fake. I'm crazy. Sweat drip, get me off this trip. Someone stop this train. Some say my brain is all corrupted. Fuck from this shit. I'm stuck. I'm addicted to these drugs. I'ma quit saying motherfuckers' names before somebody fucks me up. Ain't no pussies over here, partner. See you in hell, fucker. Come get me, motherfucker, if you want shady. If Hot was still here now, he would never ride with ya. Nah, 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 nah. Get off that E before you try to come and fuck with me. It's aftermath here now. Shady Records got it locked. La 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 la.
Penitentiaries is packed with promise makers. Never realized the precious time that bitch niggas is wasted. Institutionalized my bitches, bring me product by the bundles. Hustle hard for my sale, G-Unit motherfucker. We ballin', catch me count cheese, and when I'm callin', can you set my call? See you let me sip on Hennessy. Can I sip some more? Hell, I done been to jail, I ain't scared. Mama checking in my bedroom, I ain't there. I got a head with no screws in it. Motherfuckers thinking they can stop fit, they losing it. Little nigga named Jai think he lie like me. Talking about he left the hospital, took 9 like me. You living fantasies, nigga, I rejected deposit. When your little sweet ass gon' come out of the closet. Now he wanting why DMX blow them out. Next time grown folks talking, bitch, close your mouth. Peep me, I take this world shit deeply. Done seen too many real niggas ball, I let these bitch niggas beat me black. Use a motherfucking pump and you will see me with gloves. Quit scaring them fucking kids with your ugly ass mouth. And you can tell them niggas you roll with whatever you want, but you and I know what's going on. Nigga, payback, that's how I know your bitch ass from way back. When it's me strapped with Max, knew I don't play that. All these old rappers trying to advance. It's all over now, take it like a man. Herb looking like Larry Holmes, flabby and sick, trying to play a hit on my shit. Made a fat dick, loving this shit, that's how you made me. Feeling like I got you niggas crazy, against all odds. Hoping my dog motherfuckers know this be the realest shit I ever wrote. Against all odds, up in the studio, getting blown to the truest shit I ever